Here we go. No, no, no. The piece of shit car. I got a piece of shit car. That fucking pile of shit never gets me very far. My car's a big piece of shit, 'cause the shocks are fucking shot. And my seatbelt's fucking broken. I got to tie it in a knot. I can't see through the windshield, 'cause it's got a big fucking crack. And the interior smells real bad, 'cause my friend puked in the back. Piece of shit car. It sucks royal dick. 100% crap. Oh, fuck you, car. It's got no CD player. It only got the 8-track. Whoever designed my car can lick my sweaty nutsack. And I got no fucking brakes. I'm always way out of control. 11 times a day, I hear, hey, watch it, asshole. I got a piece of shit car. Diesel gas sucks my ass. That pile of metal shit. Oh, what the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do to get stuck with you? You're too wide for drive-through, and you smell like the shoe, but I'm too broke to buy something new. Aw, fuck me. Well, the engine likes to flood. The car always fucking stalls. And the seat cushion's got a big grip, so a spring always pokes the balls. Plus the door locks are busted. I got to use a fucking coat hanger. And if a girlie sees my car, there's no chance I'll ever bang her. Hey, shut up. You piece of shit car. You piece of shit car. Bald fucking tires. No rear view fucking mirror. 7 different colors. Fucking rag for a gas cap. Tailpipe making sparks fly everywhere. Oh, the whole town thinks I'm a loser. Cabby, give me a push.